after the tripping of PEDC, the system remains stable. Normal po yung system, stable siya. Voltages, frequency are within limits, normal limits. Loading levels, wala tayong transmission line na overloaded.
Paano masabing normal at stable, nag-trip na nga?
Opo.
How would you consider, why would you use that word normal at stable kung nag-trip na? Kung nag-trip, so ibig sabihin hindi stable. Kaya nag-trip eh.
Opo. Kapag po nagkakaroon ng event sa grid, say for example, disturbance such as generator tripping, meron tayong momentary na disturbance pero makaka-recover instantly si grid. Kaya yun po yung actual definition ng stability. The ability to recover after an event or disturbance.
Between 12:06 hanggang 2:19, meron 2 hours window yon na you could have done something to address the problem, but you did not. Bakit?
Apo, sir, between 12:06 to 14:19, since stable pa nga po yung grid, normal limits ang voltage and frequency within the required. Wala po tayong overloaded na line, walang tripping ng lines. Normal po. So, we did the normal dispatch, normal process, normal responsibility as system operations. On top of that po, si PGC do not allow us to impose manual corrective actions in anticipation of a secondary contingency.
Madaling ituro at ibaling ang sisi sa pinakamalaki sa kwarto, ika nga, at yan ay ang NGCP. Subalit kung wala naman silang kuryenteng iyahatid, wala namang madedeliver sa distribution utility din. The same is true for the power plant. Hindi pwedeng mag-manual shutdown, an unscheduled shutdown ng planta. Nang desisyon lang niya. Dapat pinagbibigay alam at sumusunod pa rin sa National Grid Code.